Why life keeps breaking down and how alignment restores it. Some of you are exhausted, not because you're lazy, but because you're trying too hard at the wrong thing. You pray, you push, you learn, you try again, and yet life still feels like it's slipping through your fingers. What if effort isn't your problem? What if you're simply misaligned? One of the biggest lies we've been taught is this: if you just try harder, everything will work out. It sounds responsible, it sounds spiritual, it even sounds noble. But that is not how life actually works. Some of the most broken people you know are the hardest working people you know. They show up early, they give their best, they care deeply, and still, things keep breaking down. This message is not about effort, it's about alignment. And once you understand this, you'll stop blaming yourself for things that were never about laziness or lack of faith. Let me tell you a story. There was a farmer who woke up every morning before sunrise. He tilled the soil. He watered the land. He worked until his hands hurt and his body ached. Season after season, he labored without rest, but nothing grew. One day, another farmer walked by and asked him, "What are you planting?" The exhausted farmer looked up and said, "I don't know. I just keep working the ground." He was working hard, but without design, without season, without understanding. Effort without alignment produces exhaustion, not fruit. Life is not impressed by effort. Life responds to order. Everything God created works by alignment: seeds, seasons, bodies, ecosystems, and even your soul. When something is out of order, the system compensates, and that compensation shows up as stress, confusion, delay, resistance, and breakdown. That's why you can be sincere and still struggle, faithful and still frustrated, talented and still stuck. Let's make this practical. Imagine someone trying to charge their phone, but they keep forcing the charger into the headphone jack. They push harder, they wiggle it, they blame the charger, they blame the phone, they even blame the manufacturer. But the problem isn't effort. The problem isn't the charger. It's the wrong connection. This is how many people are living their lives, pushing harder into places they were never designed to fit, forcing relationships, forcing careers, forcing timing, forcing outcomes. Let me ask you something, honestly. Where in your life are you trying harder instead of listening deeper? Where are you forcing results instead of correcting alignment? And where have you been calling yourself weak when life has simply been giving you feedback? Jesus often taught through pictures. So let me give you another one. Imagine someone standing in front of a door, pushing with all their strength. They're sweating, they're frustrated, they're praying, they're asking God for help. But the door was designed to be pulled, not pushed. Effort doesn't replace understanding. God does not demand striving. He invites alignment. Jesus said, "My yoke is easy and my burden is light." That doesn't mean life has no weight. It means when you are aligned, the weight is distributed correctly. Heavy effort is often a sign you're carrying something that was never assigned to you. Here's a simple alignment reset you can practice this week. Stop asking, "Why is this so hard?" Start asking, "What is this teaching me?" Identify one area of your life where effort keeps increasing, but peace keeps decreasing. Instead of pushing, pause. Ask God, What is out of order here? Alignment often begins with honest observation, not dramatic change. You are not behind. You are not broken. You are not failing. You are being invited into alignment. And when alignment comes, clarity returns, energy returns, fruit returns. This is why life keeps speaking to you. And once you learn the language, you'll stop fighting it. This is alignment. And this is how life actually works. If this message helped you see your life differently, take a moment to like this video. It helps this teaching reach the people who need it most. Subscribe if you're ready to understand how life, systems, and the spiritual realm actually work. And if someone you love feels stuck or exhausted, share this with them. We're building alignment here, one life at a time.